Will turning off screen mirroring affect other functions of my device?
Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about a common feature on your devices, screen mirroring. You may be wondering, will turning off screen mirroring affect other functions of my device? Well, in this video, we are going to answer this very question and make sure you understand everything you need to know about the screen mirroring function.
What is screen mirroring?
Screen mirroring is a feature found in many modern electronic devices such as smartphones, tablets, and computers. This feature allows you to display the screen of your device on another device like a television, monitor, or a projector. Essentially, what's on your device's screen will be mirrored on another device's screen.
Does turning off screen mirroring affect other device functions?
Here's the simple answer. No, it doesn't. Turning off screen mirroring simply disables that particular function. It does not affect your device's other functions such as internet browsing, app usage, media playback, or other core features of your device. Screen mirroring is just one function amongst many, and turning it off will only mean that your device stops sending its display to another screen. It should not have any performance impact on other areas of the device's operation.
Why would you want to turn off screen mirroring?
There might be several reasons you'd want to turn off screen mirroring. You might not need it at the moment, or you may want to save battery power, as screen mirroring can consume more energy, particularly if you're using wireless mirroring. Turning it off when not in use can also help in improving the performance of your device, especially if your device is low on resources, as screen mirroring can be resource intensive. So there you have it. Turning off screen mirroring doesn't affect other functions on your device. Remember, it's just a feature to extend or mirror your screen to another display, and disabling it only stops that specific functionality. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has been helpful in understanding more about screen mirroring and its impact on your device.